So I already have my base on, but today we're playing with the Snatched Palette by LadyCode. It comes with these 6 shades and makes it easy to get your eyes and your face done with one palette. So to start, I start with wig cap in the crease, and I blend that throughout all the way up to the brow. Then I'm gonna go in with spray tan just to darken it up a bit, something quick to glam it up. So now I'm gonna go in with halo just to pop that onto the lid. I start with applying with my finger, and then I'll go ahead and go in with a flat brush just to smooth it all out and kind of give you a cut crease look. Then to darken it out a bit, just to make halo pop a little bit more, I'm gonna go in with Influence and really just stick to the outer part of the eye and then work my way in with the leftover product on the brush. So I did some Foxy eyeliner off camera, and now I'm gonna go in with Influence right on the bottom of the eye just to smoke it out a bit. Now for face, I start with wig cap, just something really soft to start the contour process, and then I go back in with spray tan to darken it up. And for nose contour, I go with wig cap, but if I want something deeper, I do go in with spray tan lightly to contour my nose. So for blush, I'm using fillers, and I think that was named appropriately because it makes my cheeks look a lot fuller. I also take fillers and put it on the bridge of my nose just to give me that extra sun-kissed look. Now I'm taking halo to highlight my face. I do highlight in the necessary areas, so the bridge of the nose, under the brow line, I do the Cupid's bow, and I also get the upper part of my cheeks as well. Now for funsies, I added some faux freckles. I used the brow tip in brown from Glossier, and that makes the perfect freckles for me. I also went in with that one time I went blonde, and I added that on top of the faux freckles, carved out the contour, and added it under my eyes to brighten it up a bit. Now of course, for lips, I used the Lisa lips from the LadyCode. I used the shades Paris and Tokyo, and I like how they keep my lips moisturized throughout the day, and it looks perfect and plump, and that's the way a lip gloss should always look on your face, so I highly recommend those products. I 10 out of 10 recommend this palette, so I suggest you guys go get Snatched by LadyCode, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!